So how many appointments should my dealership expect? So on average, our events, we average about 60 appointments per event. That means we get about 120 to 130 leads and we convert it at a 50 to 60% conversion rate. In saying that, what'll happen is, you know, sometimes people will set an appointment and then they don't show, right? So we actually have about a 50% show rate, but our team will go in and actually do retargeting and follow up to try to bring those leads in. And one of the things that we do that a lot of the other companies don't do is we actually push to your CRM and we provide you with a spreadsheet that has all the lead information and details so that you can reach out and call them to try to increase those show rates. So again, we say it's about 50%. Sometimes the show rates are a little bit higher, sometimes they're a little bit lower. That really just depends on how well your team interacts with those customers on the phone, you know, whether or not the customer had questions and they were basically, all the questions were answered. So it really comes down to how good your team is at, you know, basically following up with the people and bringing them back in. Our team will do some follow up, but again, it's all through Messenger. And at the end of the day, it's up to your dealership to try to, you know, call them and get them on the hook.